ibowling ngaye u-6-2 kwasekuthi Inter Milan yashaya Royal Union ngamagoli 4-0. Manchester City ishayeke iqembu le-Villarreal ngamagoli 2-0. Barcelona nayo-ke ibhaxabule Olympiacos ngo-6-1. Wodwa umdlalo ngabanga namagoli njengoba-ke umdlalo obukade uphakathi kwe-Khairat Almaty bedlala-ke ne-Pafos uphele ngayo-ke i-draw ka-0-0. Khona-ke futhi nanamhlanje imidlalo ithe chithisa kuyona i-UEFA Champions League. Bibili ezoqala ngaphambi kokuba kubumbane ihora lesikhombisa. Atletico Bilbao izotholana phezulu neKarabakh. Galatasaray idlala-ke nayo-ke iBodo Malibunga.
So disappointed in you guys. Like ngifuna ukunchika.
Munich idlala nalo-ke iqembu leClub Brugge. iChelsea idlala ne-Ajax Amsterdam, kanti-ke Frankfurt izovakashela-ke iLiverpool. iMonaco itholane phezulu neTottenham Hotspur. Kanti umdlalo
Thank you, Princess.
izobevakashela iqembu leJuventus yase-Italy. Umdlalo wokugcina-ke uphakathi kweqembu leSporting CP ezobe ivakashela iqembu layo iMarseille. Mlalela-ke ngikwethembise ukuthi ngale nje kwalo-ke ihora lesihlanu ngizophinda futhi ngibuye ngilethele ezinye zemidlalo zona ezizobe ziwiniwe.
What's happening here?
Noma ngabe udaba lwase-CCMA, inkinga umakhenika, ublacklist okungafanele, idivorce engaphiksiwe, i-clientele legal ikunikeza usizo lomthetho olungafika ku-R745,000 ngonyaka.
Guys, I posted a snippet of a song that I'm going to drop. You guys are not doing anything. You posted now and asked the ladies, what have Goli boys done to you? I know every girl has a story. Also, Gilwa. I'll just stick to DJing, no longer dropping music. You guys don't deserve music from me. You don't. No one do when I'm dropping. No one do when I don't want to drop. When I do a sneak peek of something, you guys just I think Nyang por. Oh, intela. Ngibuza ukuthi niyangibhora. Ningangibuza ukuthi ngiyakuphi. Niyakwatisa shem. So lesisu uzoma so yena ngeke aza emove.
Uyasondela but
How?
uyabona space.
Ufana nabantu abala engikhuluma nabo la.
Ungayi move. Hey. Wa reverse. Uya.
Guys, all you need to know is that I'm stuck in traffic and it's bad. Case Pumil. Yes, I posted and asked who should I add. Okay, you commented, guys. It was nice, sharp. The comments are amazing. Thank you. But I posted now. I need to use those stories for something. When I go live and you ask me to sing for you guys, I sing for you. Just sharing your stories on the post. It's not gonna cause any harm. It's actually gonna give me this thing of no one needs to drop this song as in yesterday. So like I can literally feel from a post. Not that she didn't, you saw it. Turn left on James Crescent. But anyways, guys, I'm dropping with Devin Gogo this month end. The song's on my profile. I'm just waiting for your verse from someone, and then I'll go live again later today. Maybe no be send comment ile ngize ngilwe nani.
Turn right on Old Pretoria Main Road.
KB, dude, it doesn't matter. It doesn't have to know. Nobody has to know. Nobody has to know. I'm so tired. Yeah, maintenance day will. I don't know which side should I put my phone. This side. But my little. Let me try wipe my screen. Guys, I'll go live later.